An amazing day, students! Are you ready to learn something new for today? Let's get started! At the end of this video lesson, you will learn how to convert single unit of measurement into another unit and solve problems involving conversion of units of length, time, and mass. In our previous video lesson, you've learned about factor label method or dimensional analysis. Let's have a quick recap of this method. Remember this relationship. Value sought for is equal to given times conversion factor. So again, when we say value sought for, this refers to the value to be solved. Given, it refers to the given number. And conversion factor refers to the use of equalities that provide the link between the unit being converted and the new unit of measure. You have to remember that the units expressed as fractions are multiplied together with the conversion factors arranged in such a way that all units cancel except the target unit. Can you still remember the different units of measurement for mass, length, and time? For conversions within the metric system, you must memorize the conversion. For example, 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter, or 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. You have to remember that metric conversions are exact ratios, and thus this will not limit your significant digits for the answer. Are you ready to convert units of measurement? Let's start converting. Let us convert 6 kilometers to meters. First, you have to identify what is given. The given in this example is 6 kilometers. Next, what is the unit sought for? You're correct. The unit sought for is meter. This time, we need to identify the conversion factor that we will be using. So how do we do that? First, you can ask yourself, which unit is bigger? So between kilometer and meter, which unit is bigger? You're correct. That is kilometer. So you can put 1 for kilometer and ask how many of the smaller units are in the bigger unit. Remember, in our previous lesson, the prefix kilo means 1,000. Therefore, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. That will be our conversion factor. So now, let's proceed with our solution. So the given is 6 kilometers multiplied to our conversion factor, which is 1,000 meters divided by 1 kilometer. So now, you're wondering, why did I put 1,000 meters on the numerator and I put 1 kilometer in the denominator? Remember that we have to cancel out units of measurement. And in this example, the unit that we need to cancel out is the unit kilometer. Right? So for us to cancel that, we have to put the same unit in the opposite position. 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. Is that clear? Okay, let's proceed. So now we can proceed with our cancellation. So we will cancel out kilometers, 6 kilometers, or the unit of kilometer, and then another unit of kilometer in the denominator. So the remaining here would be 6 times 1,000 meter. That will be equal to 6,000 meters. Therefore, 6 kilometers is equal to 6,000 meters. Were you able to follow? Good job. Let's try this example. Convert 3,500 meters to kilometer. So again, what is given? Correct. The given in this example is 3,500 meters. And what unit are we going to find out? That's right. That is the unit kilometer. So, the conversion factor that we will be using is the same with the conversion factor that we used in our previous example. That is, 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. Now, I want you to observe the equation that we will be using and tell me what difference have you observed compared to our previous example. Alright, let's proceed. 3,500 meters multiply to 1 kilometer divided by 1,000 meters. What have you observed? You're correct. This time, the unit meter is in the denominator because the unit that we need to cancel out for this example is the unit meter. Is that clear? Alright, let's proceed with our solution. So now we will cancel out meter and we will proceed with the operation. So 3,500 times 1 kilometer is equal to 3,500 kilometers divided by 1,000. So the answer would be 3.5 kilometers. Therefore, 3,500 meters is equal to 3.5 kilometers. Is that clear? Let's try this example. Convert 30.48 centimeters to inches. What have you observed? You're correct. Centimeter is a unit used in the metric system, while inches is a unit used in the English system. So how are we going to convert this kind of example? Same process. First, we have to identify the given. What is given in this example? You're right. The given in this example is 30.48 centimeters, and we need to find out how much would it be in inches. Right. Okay, so what will be our conversion factor then? So remember, since they are from different systems of measurement, the conversion factor would not be by multiple of 10. Okay, so here is our conversion factor. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. That will be our conversion factor. So we will proceed with our equation. 30.48 centimeters multiplied to 1 inch divided by 2.54 centimeters. Again, we have to take note of the unit that we will be cancelling out. One should be in the numerator and the other one should be in the denominator. So we will cancel out centimeter and we will multiply 30.48 centimeter or 30.48 times 1 divided by 2.54. The answer would be 12 inches. Therefore, 30.48 centimeters is equal to 12 inches. Were you able to follow? Good job. So now, try this activity. Convert 62 kilograms to grams. Were you able to get the same answer? Good job for that. So remember, kilo means 1,000. So for every 1,000 gram, that is equivalent to 1 kilogram. So don't forget the meaning of the prefixes that can be found or can be seen in the unit of measurement. Try this example. Try this another example. This time, you will convert 110 pounds to kilogram. Again, pounds is a unit used in the English system and kilogram is a unit used in the metric system. Therefore, 110 pounds is equal to 50 kilograms. How was it, students? Were you able to familiar yourself with the different steps in converting units? That's great. Try this another example. Convert 4 hours to minutes. So this is a conversion that involves time. Okay, so given is 4 hours. Unit sought for will be minutes. So what will be our conversion factor? Which one is bigger? Is it hour or minute? Correct, it's hour. So for every 1 hour, that is equivalent to 60 minutes. So let's proceed with our equation. 4 hours times 60 minutes divided by 1 hour. So we will cancel out the unit hour. So the remaining here will be 4 times 60. That will be equivalent to 240 minutes. Therefore, 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. Easy, right? Try this example. Convert 48 hours to day. So again, what is given? Alright, given is 48 hours and the unit sought for is day. Okay, so the conversion factor will be 1 day is equivalent to 24 hours. So our solution will be alright, so 48 hours is equal to 2 days. So how was it? I hope that you were able to get the hang of converting units using the factor label method. Alright, so you have to remember that in converting units of measurement using factor label method, you have to take note of these 3 important things. First, you have to identify the given, the value sought for, and the conversion factor. Second, write your equation. And thirdly, be careful in the placement of your units. Unit can be cancelled if one is placed in the denominator and the other is in the numerator. Easy, right?
According to Mr. John C. Maxwell, motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing. I hope that you will grow in discipline and you will always be motivated every day as you do your worksheets, as you attend your online classes.
Hope you've learned a lot today, students. Again, this is Ma'am Marie saying, have an amazing day, students. Remember to be always amazing because you are amazing.